This video was taken exactly 360 days ago when I decided to go on a no heat journey where my goal was to go 365 days without putting heat on my hair. I cannot believe I'm 5 days away from completing this goal. On the surface, my hair looked okay. It looked shiny, but it was so brittle, broken, dry. I always wore ponytails because my hair just fell out all the time. If I'm being honest, the first 6 to 7 months were really difficult for me. I didn't know what to do with my hair. I have a lot of thick, curly hair, and I just prefer and was so used to my straight, sleek hair. I just wore protective styles all the time and put my rice water treatments in that I learned when I went to China. So as soon as I started my heat-free journey, I went to Guilin, China, because this little tribe in the beautiful mountains of Guilin, China. You guys, absolutely insane. Such a beautiful place in the world. I went to Guilin because they have this tribe of women who have the world's longest hair. These women, hair is a part of their culture, and literally their whole world revolves around hair. They have the world's longest hair. They've been using rice water in their hair for over 200 years, and I needed to go figure out this recipe. I needed to apprentice under these women and learn everything they could possibly teach me about growing long, strong, beautiful hair, and their hair never turns gray. That wasn't really a goal of mine until I met these women. I'm like, hey, sure, if I don't go gray, I'd love that too. These women believe that long hair, or in their culture, long hair was how a man chose a woman because it signaled to fertility and health. And obviously, they were trying to have as many babies as possible during these war times in China. So the women just wanted to have the longest hair in the world, and they figured out fermented rice water has all these good bacteria that makes your hair so young and your scalp so young that your body just or your scalp just never thinks that it ages. Get back across. How the How? She's showing me. How? Started religiously using rice water on my hair after visiting those Yao women and learning all I could learn from them. I started using rice water about 2, 3 times a week, and it's been life changing. My hair started to grow so fast with the rice water that I felt so comfortable chopping my hair off. So I would cut around 2, 3 inches of my hair off every 2, 3 months because it was just that damaged hair from when I was straightening my hair. But the rice water was growing my hair so fast that I never really saw a difference in the length of my hair because it was growing so fast. So I felt really comfortable chopping that old straightened hair off so my hair could be 100% healthy. Another method I learned in the Middle East and loved is chebby powder. I mix it with flaxseed oil, but you can mix it with any oil. The only thing about chebby powder is it's like rice water. It's very good for strengthening and growing your hair, but it's just so messy. So I only do about once a month. Your whole shower, your whole bathtub will be wrecked. And me, I travel a lot, so I I have ruined so many bathrooms and I just don't do it anymore. But it's amazing. I love it. You mix it with your favorite oil and you just scrub your scalp and you put it on the length of your hair. Immediately, your scalp feels good and your hair feels good. And you leave it in for several hours. It's so good for your hair. It's just so messy. So, the reason I prefer rice water is because there's no mess at all. The cherry powder works so well. You just gotta, you're washing it out. I have to wash my hair and rinse it for like 40 minutes to get it completely out of my hair. But it is really good for length retention and for strengthening your hair. I would highly recommend both methods. Just be prepared for the cherry powder to be everywhere. Like you will find cherry powder for the next year in your bathtub, in your socks, on your pillow. And it's just a lot. So, I have to talk about diet. Your hair is being made inside of your body, right? You need to be eating, if you're trying to grow long, strong, healthy hair, a high protein, high antioxidant, a lot of leafy greens. I love microgreens. These things have such a big impact on your hair. You just don't even know what you're eating is making your hair. I'm all about red meat. I have visited cultures where the meat, where they eat a lot of meat, they always have the most beautiful hair. I'm sorry, go to Kazakhstan, go to Uzbekistan, go to Tajikistan, go to Afghanistan, go to even places like Hong Kong. These people live, they're literally the longest living people in the world, and they have the most beautiful hair, and they eat, their meat intake is insane. Also, a lot of salmon, omega 3s are so good for your hair, but I am a meat
Gorgeous.
lover. I'm not,
Look how gorgeous this
forget
wagyu
vegan
is.
and all
This
that mess. I think
is
that's one of the worst things you can do for your hair is go vegan.
$11.
And I'm sorry, I'm standing on that.
That's
Protein,
pierogi.
healthy fats, avocados, sweet potatoes, eggs, blueberries, these things, papaya, so good for growing hair. Your hair is being made inside of your body. Remember that. What you eat, you are what you eat. So your diet 100% matters. I can't believe it's been 360 days. Stay tuned. In 5 days, I will be straightening my hair to see, my length. So stay tuned. And I'm so glad you guys have been inspired. I've been hearing you guys have been inspired to start a healthy hair journey. I highly recommend it.
心现在已经基本盘完了。刚才在盘头发的过程中呢，我们一共加入了2把长发。这2把长发不是假发，它们是怎么来的呢？一把是16到18岁剪下来象征成年的，还有